9th of July 2021 we have Kivivuorenkuja stairways and then 2 staircase H here, and this is the last staircase to be built here in Martinlaakso, modernized Vantaa, Vantaa here in Helsinki is supposed to be modernized Finland, built in 1972 by ValmetSchlieren, turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022, and that will be inspected this year, 2021. The seal number is 2628 and the capacity is 3 per short of 5 cars with 7 floors. That's right. Let's go back to the ground floor. I like this olive green color here.
So, same here. Tippaa kiva, jos pitää maintained by Schiller.
Yeah. And the ground floor. That's it, thank you very much for watching. The last question is G and I in this residential building.
That's it.